Hello, my name's Rodney Grounds. I'm the Vice President of Sales here at Robopac USA. If you're a food and beverage manufacturer or a co-packer and you're looking for a machine that will allow you the flexibility to pack multiple different packaging formats, that will give you fast and accurate changeovers, and is easy to operate and maintain, this video is for you. Our Prasmatic series of combination packers will allow you to wrap in a full wraparound case, a high wall tray with or without a display window, tray and film, pad and film, or film only packages. This versatility is being required more and more these days. Many times we've seen companies make large investments in packaging lines only to lock themselves into one packaging format. With the Prasmatic Combination Series machine, you can allow yourself the flexibility to pack in multiple formats to anticipate the change that may be coming, especially in these times that we live in today. We were recently contacted by a food manufacturer who's had a major customer contact them and want to move away from a full case to pack their product in a tray and film format. For this customer, unfortunately, his line was geared only for the full wraparound case. Now he's retooling with all new equipment to provide the tray and film format. That's why the Prasmatic combination machine is a great solution. It allows you all the formats that could be requested. I think when most people think about an all-in-one type machine like we're talking about today, they think that the machine would be very difficult to set up and adjust, may be very difficult for maintenance people to maintain or operators to use. That's not the case with the Prasmatic machine, and here's why. It all starts with a human-centric design approach that we have. We've widened the frame of our machine to give easier access to maintenance personnel to get to critical parts that need to be maintained. We've put steps in our machine to allow operators to get up and be able to have a clear sight into the machine. We even include LED lights inside the machine to provide excellent lighting for your operators and maintenance people. The design of our film cutting unit is especially maintenance friendly. It's mounted on THK guideways and allows the maintenance people to slide the film cutting unit outside of the machine where they'll have easy access when it's time to change a knife. Our blank magazine is mounted at 90 degrees and external to the machine itself, which allows replacement of your blanks while the machine's running. We also have an option called Easy Film that takes the film rolls outside of the frame of the machine, making it easy for an operator to replace a roll of film while the machine's running. We can actually even provide the machine with an auto splicing device, which automatically splices one film tail to the other, so there's no need for operator intervention to change a roll of film. When we talk about fast changeovers and accurate changeovers, we have a system for that too. The machines can be purchased with a full auto changeover driven by servo motors and selected from your HMI. No more trial and errors when it comes to setting up the machine. One touch of the button and we adjust all the major adjustments. With a full range of options available, we can tackle almost any packaging project. If you need to orient your product inside the machine, we can do that. If you need to stack product inside the machine, we can do that. If you even need to put partitions in the product, we can even do that. If you have any case packing projects, the Prasmatic TC Combination Series machine is a great place to start. We'd love to talk to you about any case packing opportunities. Just send me an email at the address below.